what we're taking a look at today is the rescue Wasp Trapstick. I don't know if y'all see all that. Now, the only reason I bought this, well, one, I hate wasps. Don't have a lot of them around here. I hunted them pretty hard this spring with wasp spray, and I killed like 26 in 2 days that I'd see flying around, whatever. And then just, and this is in August, I killed 6 yesterday, 5 or 6 with wasp spray. I'd see them flying around, so I'm thinking, you know, the people that make that fly trap thing work so well that I did a review on, works really well. They make this rescue, so I'm going to try this. It says capture the queen, empty the nest, pesticide free, weather resistant, blah blah blah. And it shows you some wasp over here, and here's the directions right here. So I have never used one of these, so there's a little zipper thing there. We're going to open this up. It is sticky. Okay. Now, the thing I've seen that really attracts them right now is water, because it's so dry. When my ice chest over here leaks a little bit, they love that. I guess I better read the directions how to hook these on. Close glue. We did that. Remove the cardboard, reach in center and pull out the glue guards. Install glue guards. Tuck one end of the glue guard under cap until it locks in place with a snap. Install the other end. Okay, that sounds like it's pretty. Just don't touch all the sticky stuff. Okay, come out of there. Oh, it's got a. Of course, it has a. Make sure it doesn't fall and sticks in anything. Has a bread tie on it, giant bread tie. Hold it together. That's good, I guess. Always use another bread tie. Okay, so I will let y'all know. Obviously, I can't let you know today. Looks like both ends are the same, and I'm guessing it goes just like this here. Well, I said so. There we go. Just like this here. Let me see if I can do it on camera. There, just like that. Ugh. Oh, the bread tie is probably to hang it with. Okay, one more time. Well, we got a couple more times actually. They go. You see, these are little hooks right here. It goes around there. Easier if you help it around there. So, I will hang this up. I don't know where. At least this doesn't stink like their fly stuff. But man, their fly traps work so well. Best fly traps I've ever used. There you go. This was $10, I think, at Walmart. I decided to give it a try for $10. Okay. I will gamble $10. That means I can get rid of wasps easier than sitting here and watching them. See, there's one there, over there. No, that's one of those brown meat-eating butterflies, whatever they are. Oh, I heard that. That's a hummingbird. Now, I hate to. The season's coming in for the hummingbirds. They're usually out here by the end of September. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's a crazy looking thing, isn't it? Again, don't get your hands in on that. So now, hanging trapstick horizontal offers more effective performance at catching carpenter bees. Cool. Thread, twist tie through any of the loops along the top and bottom. Caps hanging on a hook or nail. Okay, that's cool. I hate carpenter bees too, but I got rid of most of them with permethrin earlier this year. But hey, I guess if any of them are hanging around. Anyway, should be interesting to see how this works. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to hang it this way, horizontally, or vertically. Because I haven't seen no carpenter bees lately. Okay, so let's thread this through the loops to hang it. I'll probably hang it this way. If I see carpenter bees, then I'll come back and hang it horizontally. So anyway, I'm going to hang this up someplace around here. And we'll see what we catch. So come back. It'll be a few seconds for you. It'll be a couple weeks probably for me. We're using twist tie to go through these caps. And we'll hang it. Might as well hang it just right up there. So anyway. And through the magic of time. Okay, it's been right at a month now since I put this out. This wasp stick. Just showing you the insides. Okay, what do we have? I don't know if y'all can see. I'm trying to get y'all where. That looks a little bit better, maybe. Okay, maybe, yeah. Okay, lots of brown moss. Now remember, my light, outside light's right here, security light. So it tracks. It's got a lot of something on it besides brown moss. Little bitty bugs. I don't know what that kind of moth that is right there. Brown moth, closet moth, what I call the closet moth, you know, the right, you know, still see that there. They maybe should call this the moth stick, because there's not one damn wasp on all this. And there's still a lot of wasps. It's in September. I've been chasing them around with black flag, or not black flag, raid wasp killer. I hate wasps. And so whenever I see them, I've killed about 50 this year just with a spray. I know where there's a big nest over in the security light across the street that doesn't work no more. And this spray, this raid, likes about 3 to 4 feet reaching. It just reached to the bottom of the light. So I got this hoping this would kill some, but it doesn't. It kills. Okay, that's a black ant. Whew, he got it right there. See him? Carpenter ant looks like. More. Let's see, lightning bugs there. Right there. Another black ant. I'm not sure what that is right there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Anyway, well, I'm going to leave this up. No wasp. I'm not sure why they even call it a wasp stick. But anyway, I wouldn't waste $10 on it if I was y'all. It's just not worth it unless you want to catch brown moths and other moths and some kind of little insects, lightning bugs. I don't know what all them little ones are. But anyway, that's my review of this wasp stick. Unfortunately for me, it does not work as well as their fly trap. So there you have it. Not a wasp one in a month, and like I said, I killed about 25 to 30 this spring, and this fall, within last month, I've been after them. I see them out in the yard or something flying around. I'll go get the raid right here, wasp and hornet. This is almost empty. I went through 2 cans. Like I said, I hate them. So if I see them flying around out here, they have been after the hummingbird feeder, but I don't spray it. So anyway, wasp stick, nah. Sorry, wasp stick. You didn't work for me.